Hi, I'm going to show you two videos right now. Take a look. It is so easy to be able to open a blog, a website, or a YouTube channel. Are you over 50 and want to start a YouTube channel? But the idea of being on camera makes you cringe. You're not alone. And guess what? You can run a successful YouTube channel without showing your face. In this video, I will show you how, step by step. Can you beat that? Hey. Hi, my name is Enorita James. Welcome to my channel. In my channel, I give you digital tips on how you can run your digital business without stress, especially if you're over 50 like me. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate your digital twin, especially if you're over 50 and you're still working your 9 to 5. I've been doing YouTube for years, but believe me, there are days I do not feel like sitting in front of a camera. I do not feel like getting up, making up, doing all the things we women know how to do, just to look good and speak to your audience. Today, AI has made that easier. You can now create your digital twin and then you use it to create different YouTube videos on different topics, without actually sitting in front of a camera. If that is what interests you, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do, of course, is to get to Heijin website. So once you go to your Google, you put in heijin.ai. And then it takes you here. This very first one, you click on it. So before now, you would have recorded yourself. Just do a 2 minutes video of yourself, to be able to upload here. And once you get to Heijin here, you can now go to Elevator and then create your Elevator. You click on it, and when you click on it, it takes you here where
Hey guys, I'm Joshua.
the owner and founder explains to you how you're going to create an Elevator of yourself. So you can listen to it so that you get to know how to actually video yourself. So the way I did mine was to just use my phone, stood in front of my phone, videoed myself looking straight at the camera and doing minimal hand movement. Don't do too much hand movement. In fact, your hand movement should not be above your chest. Minimal hand movement. And then talk about something because you need to keep talking. And then you need to pause a little bit after a sentence. Keep on looking at the camera. So once you have that, you download
So
that.
we only need 2 minutes of talking videos of
Download that on your computer. So it is now time to upload that particular video here. So I will just browse here and I'll look for that video on my desktop where I have downloaded it. That is the video right there. And then I will open it, and then that is the video of me. Then we're going to go to next. Now I need to record this because you need to, Heijin has to ensure that it is actually you. It is your video. It's not somebody else's video. Once you read what is on screen, it takes a few seconds, and then they will now tell you that your consent is validated. So once that is done, you go to next.
Check that your footage meets the unreviewed quality standards below before submitting. So you check that you're in a well-lit environment, your strong background contrast. That means you cannot be wearing a black dress and then the contrast is black. Expressive facial movements, subtle body movements, camera is stable, only one person there are no people behind you. You maintain the same position, at least 2 minutes of footage. You're looking directly at the camera and your mouth is visible. So once you ensure that all those things are there, you now click on submit. So your elevator is being created. It will be ready in a few minutes. And then they said they will notify you by email when it is ready. So that is done. You just click on done and then we wait for it to be ready. What do you want to name your elevator? I'll just name it my name. Then you click on that, you click on continue. It's 30% ready. So once it is 100% ready, we'll continue with the video. Yay, my elevator is ready. So now let's actually listen to it and see whether it will sound like me. So let's listen.
Hey, Enorita James, your hyper-realistic avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
What do you think? Do you think it sounds like me? I think it's really amazing, really. But what will be really much more amazing is how I'm going to be able to be using this to create amazing YouTube videos. The advantage of having your own elevator is that you must not always have to dress up and sit in front of your camera just to do a YouTube video. If you have a realistic elevator of you, you can do different kinds of videos. And that is what we are going to be able to explore. So that's it for today. Go ahead and create your digital twin. It will really help you. It will save you hours of trying to wear different clothes, trying to create different videos at different times and always having to sit in front of a camera. You can always call this a faceless YouTube channel because you're not actually showing your face originally. You're showing your digital twin's face. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Stay blessed.